Hello friends, I'm your Merin and welcome back to Love for Food and Travel. If you are in Hyderabad during the Sankranti, then you are in for a treat. If you have been following our channel, you would have known that we have been covering all the festivals arranged by Telangana Tourism this week for Sankranti. In continuation, today we are covering the Hot Air Balloon Festival which is planned from 16th to 18th Jan. In this video, we will tell you all the details that you need like the venue of the festival, timings and from where you can book the tickets. Towards the end, I will also give an update on the details for the drone show. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. If you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe to Love for Food and Travel. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos in the future. Telangana Tourism Department has arranged a hot air balloon festival from 16 to 18 January at two different locations in two sessions. The morning session is at Hyderabad Golf Club and the evening session is at the Parade Ground, Secunderabad. We went for the morning session at Hyderabad Golf Club in the morning. As it was a holiday week, we started at 6:45 on a lazy morning, not knowing what to expect from this hot air balloon event. But as we started entering the golf club road, we were in for a big surprise. I could see that some of the hot air balloons were already in the air, flying majestically. People literally stopped their vehicles and were enjoying the view in the sky and taking pics. As we approached the entrance of the golf club, the view only got bigger and better. For a moment, I couldn't believe what I was seeing, since this is not something that you see on a daily basis. We entered the golf club, parked our car and quickly made our way to the hot air balloon area. It was then I realized that the event actually started long back. In Book My Show app, the event start time was shown as 5 in the morning, but I thought it will begin late as per Hyderabadi standard time. But I was wrong and it did start at the scheduled time. The tickets were sold for ₹2,000 and needs to be booked in Book My Show app. But looks like it was sold out in minutes. You can try your luck for the evening sessions at Parade Ground, but it will be a vertical lift and down and not a full flight as you can see here. In fact, we have already experienced the vertical lift and down earlier in Chennai sometime in 2018. At that time, they were charging around ₹2,500 for 10 to 15 minutes flight. If you are really interested, you can come and watch these big balloons take off for their flight and you don't need a ticket for that. The way these balloons rises into the sky is itself a majestic view. We were fortunate to see some of the balloons lift off as they made into the skies. Just then, we saw a powered paraglider took off as though it was competing with the hot air balloons, going around the balloons in circles. Also, the venue of the morning flight on 17th and 18th Jan is still not confirmed. We were told that it all depends on the wind direction and weather conditions, and the final decision will be taken by the pilots only by the end of the day today and will be notified. I will try to update the venue in the description for this video. Please do check. Once all the balloons took off, we returned back home. On the way, we stopped at Gachibowli Stadium to get an update on the drone show. The important thing that I wanted to tell you that tickets needs to be purchased to get an entry for the drone show. Tickets are available at Book My Show for ₹199 and the event starts by 4 p.m. Earlier, I guess, we were told that drone show entry was free of charge. But now you will need to book tickets for the show. I will try to cover the drone show and will upload it by tomorrow. So friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends who may be interested in new places in Hyderabad. Also, If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest notifications. Until we meet again in another interesting video, be happy and keep smiling.